Visual artist Vinita Dasgupta, whose work has been shown across the globe, might offer an age-old sentiment about the formula for great art. It takes a village.
I visited Raghurajpur in Orissa in 2010. I went for a residency there, and there I got a chance to work with local artists, who do patachitra, and they paint their own, make their own materials, paint their canvases with a lot of natural mediums. So I got very inspired by their, practices. They work religiously from morning to sunset, and I was very inspired by them. I have learned the technique from them, the folk art and all. I have learned from that, and after coming back from there, I started using those motifs in my works as a backdrop.
We first met Vinita Dasgupta at India Art Fair, where her pop art paintings stood out among the rows of galleries. Upon closer look, the viewer sees these aren't simple paintings. A work comprises of thousands of scrolls of canvas, carefully arranged to create the intended image. The process is labor and time intensive.
First of all, I draw the image on the board. Then I start rolling the canvases into pipes of different sizes, and then I paint it on the canvas, and then I start cutting those rolls in different sizes to assemble it in one image. That's how I do it, but it's a very lengthy process, and I don't make any sketch or layout of it. I just go with the flow. I enjoy what I do, and it comes out and gives me a very good shocking experience as well.
Instead of focusing on famous performers, the subject of Vinita Dasgupta's scroll art are often anonymous, but just as full of history.
From a distance, it looks like a design, but when you come close to the artwork, you will see a lot of stories in each and every row. You'll see a single story of either Radha Krishna or a boy doing his local stuff, or animals or nature. So I'm trying to carry the folk art in my work, which the local artists are doing in Raghurajpur. So when I'm doing their portrait, in a way I'm trying to incorporate their ideas, their art, their stories in their portrait. So it's them, I'm just trying to bring out the thing, but I think it's their work, it's them who are creating this thing. It's a way of expressing my thanks to them.
Vinita Dasgupta also expresses thanks to an icon she says is her good luck charm. Visit any one of Vinita Dasgupta's shows and you'll see a pop artwork featuring Marilyn Monroe is present. And just as artistic legend Andy Warhol found a way to create new perspective from this familiar face 50 years ago, Vinita Dasgupta pushes the craft of painting into new territory with her representation.
When I was doing my masters, I used to read a lot about Klimt and Andy Warhol, and I love their work so much. They're so expressive in their own way. It was very abstract, but very catchy and very contemporary. They're modern, ahead of their times. So I want to be the same. I want to try to keep doing something new, so that I am ahead of myself, of my own style. I compete with myself, not with anybody else.